My first reel touched 2 million of you, and the one thing that came through in every single comment was this: nobody knew what they were actually entitled to. So today, let us fix that. Here are your rights as a patient in India, rights that exist in law right now. Whether you are in a government hospital, a private hospital, or the most expensive corporate hospital in your city. Right number one, you have the right to an itemized bill, not a summary, not a lump sum total. Every charge, every medicine, every consumable, every procedure, line by line, in writing, before you pay. This is not a request you are making, it is a right you are exercising. Right number two, you have the right to know the approximate cost of treatment before it begins. Except in a genuine emergency, a hospital must give you a cost estimate in writing at the time of admission. If they did not, ask. If they refuse, note it down. It matters later. Right number three, you cannot be detained in a hospital over a billing dispute. This is confirmed by the Supreme Court of India, the Delhi High Court, and the Charter of Patient Rights issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. A hospital cannot hold your loved one hostage because of a disagreement over the bill. That is illegal. It is wrongful confinement under Indian law. If it happens, call the police. Right number four, hospitals cannot charge above MRP on medicines, stents, implants, or medical devices. The price printed on the packaging is the maximum they can charge. Anything above that is a violation of the Legal Metrology Act. Photograph every piece of packaging during the hospital stay. Every single one. Right number five, you have the right to your medical records within 72 hours of requesting them. Discharge summary, test reports, prescriptions, operation notes, all of it. A hospital cannot withhold your records. They belong to you. Right number six, if you have health insurance, your insurer must clear your cashless discharge within 3 hours of the hospital submitting the request. This is a binding IRDAI regulation. If there is a delay beyond 3 hours, the additional charges that accrue are the insurer's responsibility, not yours. These rights exist today in law, in court judgments, in government charters, and yet most families sitting in hospital corridors across India have never heard a single one of them. Part 2 is coming, and that one is going to be harder to hear because we are going to talk about the gap between what the law says and what actually happens when your loved one is ready to go home and someone is standing between you and the exit with a bill you don't recognize. Follow so that you don't miss it. But please note, all the information that I have provided is verified from government and legal sources. Schemes and processes may vary by state. Please confirm details before you act. I, Dr. Manisha Soni, am a retired dental surgeon and a communications coach, not a government official or a legal advisor, so please keep that in mind.